Namaste. Today I am going to talk about the law of opposites in the lineage, which many people are not aware. There is a law of opposites which happen in the lineage. Now, if there are two brothers, one brother will do really well and one brother will not do well. If you see the famous movie of Amitabh Bachchan Diwar, in which the elder brother Shashi Kapoor turns out to be a police officer, the younger brother turns out to be a mafia don. Now, this is a very, very beautiful story in which ultimately the elder brother will go on visiting the temple, and Amitabh Bachchan, being the younger brother, will never visit the temple. And when the mother becomes very sick, he goes to the temple and pray. So this is the law of opposites which you can see in people's life. If there is a brother and a sister, the brother will have all the good things happening in your life. He will be getting married, he'll be having a kid, he'll be going to work, he'll be making a lot of money, and there will be a lot of houses will be there. The other person will not be very successful. They will not be making money, they will have all kinds of illness, all kinds of health issues, and they will not be successful. This is the law of opposites which happens in many people's life, which they are not aware itself. Now, for example, I know one family, there is a brother and sister. The sister got married, she has a two male kid, whereas the brother is not married, his work is not secure, he is having a lot of issue. So this is called as the law of opposites. I know another family, the daughter is simply brilliant. She studied plus 2 in the tutorial, yet she got a lot of 95% of the marks she scored. But the brother life turned out to be opposite. He studied in a school plus 1 and plus 2, and he did not score so much of mark like the sister. So we can call it like the brain and the brawn. The sister looks average in her appearance, whereas the brother looks very handsome. In fact, the brother has a lot of girlfriends whom he has to call up, and they will keep coming to him towards as a person. This is also a law of opposites. I have also seen the law of opposites with my brother. My brother can easily beat Kumbhakarna in his sleep. I find it very difficult to sleep in the night itself. My brother can go sleep on and on. He can really sleep for 12 to 16 hours. I find even a peaceful sleeping for 4-5 hours is very difficult. But I am married and I have kids and I am very successful, whereas my brother is in the law of opposites which I told you across. Therefore, you can see this law of opposites which has been happening in many families. You can also see the law of opposites happening in the elder and the younger people. The elder brother will not be very healthy, the younger brother will be healthy. As the younger brother finishes the 10th plus 2, the elder brother education will suffer, and as the elder brother goes to work, and the younger brother will find it very lot of struggle will be there. I know one family, one cousin of mine, there were 3 brothers. The last one started working in Hexaware. The eldest one had a problem. In fact, it came to the point where the younger one became very successful. The elder person literally stopped the job and he had a head injury across the person. So therefore, you can easily see this pattern getting repeated. And also another pattern is, one brother will be very close to the mother, another brother will be very close to the father. And whoever close to the mother will be successful, whoever close to the father will not be successful. Or it will be a reverse manner, where one who is very close to the father will be successful, or one who is close to the mother will not be successful. So therefore, this law of opposites, like the day and night, keeps on happening in the people's life. I know one lady whose son was not at all studying. In fact, she went and told her husband, "You stop studying at the age of 45. It looks like you are sucking up all the lineage punya," whereas this man is not at all studying across. So once that man stopped only, then he started becoming successful in terms of education. Another lineage pattern I have seen, there is an actor Satyaraj. He is still working at the age of 70, whereas his son does not even have a job in the acting. Till the father is very successful in the work, the son cannot make money. This is also the lineage pattern which you see happening in many people's life. Actually, the father is too successful, but the son is so. It is like the Caesar's curse, you can see. Therefore, observe the lineage pattern, use it to clear using astrology. There is no point in talking about that astrology is very bad or something like that. All these family patterns can be seen and repeated. It will happen in spite of our best intention, thought, action. The lineage pattern works on the law of attraction, works on the law on the aura and the chakra, which is much beyond the control of the human will. So I request you to share this video on family karma and family pattern, which will be very helpful to you. Thank you.